A fair and immaculate judgment should analyze both the negative and positive issues of a fact. To do such judgment and get the negative sides of a fact to make it more transparent, we have to ask questions till we know the whole fact. Moot and grilled, given as choice A and C, mean an open field for criticism or debate, and we should leave everything for a logical debate to find the negative junctures, and as a not is inscribed after the should. So choice A and C cannot fit the blank one. On the contrary, unimpeachable as choice B means a field which do not open for criticism, and so it is the right choice to fit blank one. According to the blank one, we have to keen in judgment to get the fair analysis. To do fair, we cannot follow any falsehood. Refute means any kind of disapproval or making anything proven wrong, given as choice D. So choice D is incorrect for blank 2, though believe as choice E shows a little relevancy to fit the blank 2, but it also weakens the statement, as we cannot believe the wrong and false fact. Rather, we can castigate or criticize the fact to get the negative issues from inside of it, and so choice A fit as correct answer for blank 2. Every single thing includes not only the unsubstantiated one existing, but also the other facts is to be castigated, but also works but also works as a detour sign to define the other facts, which is to be opposite to be unsubstantiated or undocumented fact, which is similar to overt and blatant, which mean anything done or shown openly, plainly, or readily apparent, not secret or hidden, as choice G and H mean. So choice G and H are incorrect. Choice I means the opposite meaning of unsubstantiated, as it means anything situated beyond and often questionable. So ulterior, given as choice I, is fits blank 3 as correct answer. So the correct answers are choice B, choice F, and choice I.